Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create some columns in Notion in 2024. So today we're going to explore how to create some columns in Notion in 2024. Of course, columns are fundamental for organizing your data and content, whether you're setting up a table, database, or organizing a page layout, whatever it is. So let's just dive into the steps to create and customize your columns in Notion. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, you'll need to go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave for you. You can use whatever you want. Once you open this, go to the URL section. Here, simply just go to notion.com. If it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken and set to here. So I'll just show you. So to this page, which is their main page or home screen. Here you can simply click on login if you have an account to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, click on Get Notion for free to create an account. You can use as example Google or Apple if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you're logged in, you just created your account, you'll find normally yourself on this home option, which is it's gonna be your dashboard. So of course, here to begin, you can start by, as example, go into one of the pages that you have, or simply create a new page. You can start even from a template, as example. So for me, as example, I guess like something this, or I'll just go to this one. I guess this has a table. So yeah, as you can see here, this actually has a table. So as an example here in this table, I can simply just go and click on plus, and as you can see, I can create as many or columns as I want. Of course, I can even like do it by typing /column and select the column from the options, which will insert a comment block into your page as an example. And once you have inserted your column block as an example, you can start adding content to each column and click inside the example column. And you'll be able to start typing or even drag other blocks as an example. You'll be able even to open it to edit it here if you want to. As an example, as we said, you'll be able to drag and drop some text there, images, or even other elements into the column. Notion will allow you also to customize the content, of course, within each column independently. So, for example, this specific column, and I can edit it. As an example, what about like this one? It can be independent, of course. Let me just go and close this. I can edit this one also, and etc. So it comes like that. Of course, you can simply just create how many you want, and here's this count. Of course, this count and etc. just comes with a template. So maybe if you start with a blank page, you may not find this, but of course, where you can find the template is basically just go and click on template here. You can simply just type, I guess, data base, yeah, and you'll find this user chart just like the one I used for this specific template. So yeah, as we said here, you can create even multiple columns. You can repeat basically the process. Click on add, and you can simply just type such slash like column, and you can of course have as many columns as needed on a single page, each containing different content or organized information in a structured layout. So after that, you can start using column and tables, of course, and databases. Because columns are integral to organize data and table and database within Notion. When crafting, like an example, a new table or database, you automatically create a column for each property or field. Customize these columns by adding new properties, rename like the existing one as example. So you can simply add some information to it, as example. And yeah, I'll just put here some random things as example. And as you can see, it will be like entered there depending on the filters that I'm entered here. So as example, I'll just put it by name as example, so it puts here in the third and etc. And you can of course start styling, organize your content as this template has in here. As example, I'll just add this, and the columns completion time, I'll just add 11 here. And as you can see, you can even here add your own comments into it by, of course, add a new row. You can simply just choose the comments as example, and you can add it however you want. And yeah, basically, here you can even start sharing it with others if you want other people to see it, or simply even publish it on the web if you want to. You'll be able to publish it on this URL. You can view the site, and you can publish it whenever you want. And yeah, that's gonna be it. So you've learned how to create and customize columns in Notion. Columns are versatile tools for organizing and presenting your content in a structured manner. Whether you're working with tables, databases, or page layouts, columns in Notion empower you to create visually appealing and organized information spaces. So make sure to stick by for other like videos because this video is over. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.